Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're doing well, and here are some Photoshop brush bundle for Photoshop. But these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sherryskpwd.com. Just one time payment for lifetime access, and then you have access of my all files. Okay, I know you know how to use in Photoshop. You can drag and drop, or you can open double click. For example, here broken brush. Okay, double click here and open Photoshop. I have already opened. Go to brush tool and then click here. You check all style of these brush here, broken style. Okay, and I have put already like a smoke design. Okay, other leaves. Okay, undo and frame brush 40 plus frame. Okay, and you see here frame. Amazing. Circle. Okay, I know you know how to use it in Photoshop. Take care. Allah Hafiz.